Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line speech on International Women's Day in English. This speech is for kids and is very easy to learn and recite. This is the best essay for students of LKG, UKG and even class 1. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Good morning everyone. Second line is My name is Drishti Sharma. Third line is Today is International Women's Day. Fourth line is Women are champions. Fifth line is They teach us, take care of us, and make the world a better place. Sixth line is Just like flowers need water, we all need them. Seventh line is Let's say thank you to all the amazing women in our lives. Eighth line is Let's celebrate all the wonderful women around us. Ninth line is Happy International Women's Day to all the fantastic women. Last line is Thank you for making our world so wonderful.